Then the third era started with connecting these computers to acquire more number of resources and to speed up the job. And there also little bit of security concern was there. And main security concern started when the network PCs were connected to internet. And you have infinite number of nodes available. Information flow from any corner to any corner, just fulfilling the vision of 21st century. That is information for all, anywhere, anytime, at affordable price. So that was the basic vision of 21st century. To fulfill that particular vision, all the PCs were connected throughout the world and the information will flow. And we have several advantages. The resources sharing were there and any upgradation was possible. Any number of nodes can be added or deleted, or all the advantage, but one concern was the security. That was started the security concern from there. And next stage will be rather cluster computing, where various type of the computational jobs were done by a set of clusters to do a particular job, and they were also made connected with the internet. The next stage came as the grid computing. Just like power grid, you have control all the voltage and current, power supply, all the parameters you are controlling from the centralized station. The same way the grid computing was there. The latest trend is the cloud computing, which is service oriented. Just like the computational is also a service. Getting information from anywhere is a service. Then this has a very critical security problems, because all the the customer doesn't know where the data is, where his server is lying, where his memory is lying. So, and you have some service provider, and some of the files which you are not using, maybe you may delete or modify, something like that. Although there are certain service rules with the agreement with the service provider, but still the lot of security issues exist. And this is something like, just like electricity, one thing is either you produce yourself, get the electricity, or you just pay per unit charges, whether it is a hydroelectric power or a nuclear power or a thermal power, any type of power, you don't need about that. Or whose transmission line or distribution line, or from where it is coming in your home. What you have to worry is just pay the charges of unit charges, and that your job is done. Same way in the cloud computing also, you have to pay how much network you are using, you have to pay how much resources you are using, you have to pay how much other memory also, other things are you are utilizing, and then, but this has the maximum security issues, and all are connected with the internet system. One thing is, you have three types of, one is internet, other is intranet, and other third is extranet. The management of the information is itself a very big problem. What information you should keep in the internet, what information you should keep in the intranet, and what information you should keep in the extranet. So this is also, to some extent, these problems can be slightly minimized by keeping the information at the right place. Internet means for an enterprise, they are also having a network. So what information should be there, what security measure has to be there, and some information, generalized information you can have in the internet, and some of the very classified informations, what are the measures, what are the authorization, authentication, all those things has to be discussed. Next point. Now, damage due to security issues. Some of the things which I have pointed out, but you can simply say that it can be infinite damage. Every organization can be stopped working, financial market cannot exist, or any other market, stock market or anything, which are having the online purchase through internet, all those things will be affected. Even banking system will be also affected. So you have a tremendous effect on the security is breached or not taken proper care. And I can just tell you one reference where the security awareness, those who are new to this particular area, can go to there is a website www.info.secsecurity-awareness.in. Now this will give you the complete idea, or they are also published one particular diary. On every page there are one security concern they have written, how to take care of security issues and what precautions awareness should be available with the customer. This was published by the CDAC Bangalore. Then see that through credit unions, employees work together to alter credit reports to exchange of financial payment. This started, and there was a loss of about 2 lakh so much rupees just from the credit of two particular organizations. Then Logic Bomb deleted about 10 billion files in a computer system of the International Financial Services Company in 2012, and there was a great loss to the company while deleting so many number of files from the world. Now in August 2007, online job sites suffered a security breach by taking confidential informations of 1.3 million job seekers. Then SYN flood attack took New York ISP down for a week. Now you can see that if particular organization is down, computer system, you should just go to the bank. If the server has failed, nobody can do anything. Because even the manual system which used to be there, you cannot work on the manual system there. So you can see that because as you are dependent on the computerization in any aspect, maybe for example the missile program, everything is dependent on the computerized control, everything is there. Or you have a complete power system control from one particular in the entire net. So then if that is being compromised, then you can see that what will happen. And then August, that flood attacks took New York SSP down for a week. So you can estimate the loss. Lack of provision in the ISP to discover origin of the packet is fully. That is also one of the great concern. Teenager attacked several ISP, including this has been found. But for the curiosity or to do something over here or something like that, they put down the Pentagon sites, they put down the NASA site, and they put down the military network in the USA. That severe effect was there. Then website of Yahoo, eBay, Amazon, etc. that could loss about $1.2 billion loss. That was the same. And DDoS was launched on the port of Houston IT system, damaging the entire infrastructure. Distributed denial of service. So any service which you are supposed to have, that service is being denied. So that due to that, there was a great loss to the company. Then 2002, DNA root server were made available. This is the root server was not made available. Then you can imagine that when the root server is domain name server, which was not there, then you can see what is the loss of. And 2003, South Korea stock market suffered about so many billions dollars. And content distributor network CDN attack, loss of Apple Computer, Google, Microsoft, and Yahoo. And sometimes people could design the operating system also, just like Unix operating system, you have less number of attacks compared to the DOS or any other type of. Then multimedia privacy is also main concern nowadays because all the things are through internet. Then loss of 12.5 billion US dollar annually, 12.5 billion annually, and 70,000 jobs were lost due to this piracy of the multimedia. And 1.37 billion loss in Australia against copyright theft. And about 16,000 crore loss in Indian market, and about 8 lakh job loss in India due to this piracy. So this is